My name is Bailey Lamandan, and the name of my company is called Clean Hands Hawaii. We're located here on the island of Oahu. I am the president and owner of the company, and welcome. Starting a solid waste container keeping business means creating jobs, starting the change in awareness for people to be more concerned about the environment. I also started this business because my family is for their future, and I do see the potential in this business, and I see long term. That's very important, having a long term business. And shopping around to start this business, I was looking for a company that was not only about selling me the truck. The owners needed to be passionate, just as I was looking for this type of business. Waste industry business for me is fairly new, and purchasing my truck from EWI Industries, both Greg and Betsy have actually held my hand, educated me, showing me the business, and that's something that was very important to me. So this is why I decided to purchase my truck from EWI Industries. I was looking at getting into this type of business. I did shop other industries, and there were a lot of them that were franchised. That's something that I was not interested in. And other businesses where when I made the inquiries, they were pretty much more concerned about just getting me sell inside the bottom line and you get this truck sold. As far as educating me is knowing that I was new in this industry. That was something they probably wasn't able to help me, because a lot of times they would deal with people who actually were in the industry. So it kind of set me back a little to where I did a lot more research. I actually been looking at doing this business over 7 years, and I finally made the decision to work with the Washington Industries again, because both Greg and Betsy took the time, educated me, and till today, they still a phone call away. And that's something that you cannot find, not in this type of industry. My advice is do your homework, definitely do your research, ask a lot of questions, don't be afraid, be passionate. You're passionate in what you believe, because this is a game changer. This really is.